James from SIKKY Manufacturing. If you're doing an engine swap and you're using a T56 or some of the other Tremec 6-speed transmissions and you're having a little bit of trouble with enough clearance in your tunnel, especially where this factory reverse light switch sensor sticks out the side of the transmission, this handy little product makes it a lot easier to fit, lower profile, so in those tight tunnels you're not going to have issues with the harness binding or being smashed. Really simple update to use this sensor going forward for those tight applications. As you can see, compared to the factory one that came out of this Camaro T56 that sticks straight out, you can see it's already shorter even though we don't even have the plug plugged into the sensor. So it's quite a bit different as far as how much clearance you have. And some of the chassis we deal with where the tunnel's real tight, you're going to need any inch you can get. So having this low profile 90-degree wire harness with the same connector that's going to be plug and play, it makes it really simple to get a low profile reverse light switch installed in your transmission. To learn more about this product, as well as the other products we offer for engines and transmission swaps, log on to Sikky.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps today.